Hello, today we are going to see how to send a broadcast using Phonebook. So, when I say Phonebook, we are going to upload all our contact database as a folder and we are going to save it in the dashboard so that whenever we have a requirement of uploading a database, we can browse it from our dashboard itself. For doing that, so we have to select the Phonebook option here and select My Groups. In My Groups, we first have to create a group for uploading our contact database. So I'm going to give the name as video testing. I'm selecting save now. Now in the Phonebook section, I'm going to select import contacts. Here I'm going to select browse the group name which we created there, which is video testing. I have selected that. So from here, in case if we have to add a single point of contact, we can do that, and also we can add bulk contact database. I'm selecting import options here. From here, I'm going to create a new Excel now. From this Excel, I'm going to put a heading name as number. And I'm going to enter some sample mobile numbers. I'm giving my mobile number now. We can add how much numbers we want. So I'm adding two sample mobile numbers now. I'm going to save this file. So once the Excel file is saved, now we will upload that Excel file in here. So I have uploaded. Now select this upload button. Now the database is uploaded. So in the search bar you can see two mobile numbers have been uploaded. For executing this, it is as usual process. We just have to go to the messages option and select send WhatsApp message. So in this WhatsApp message, we have to select our contact database here. In select group, we will be able to find our contact database name. This is the name which we have created, video testing. I'm selecting this and I am selecting add group. So after that we have to select the template that is already approved. In case if you have a doubt of how to approve a template, there is a dedicated video for approving a message template and executing a broadcast. You can check out that video in our Nettyfish YouTube channel. So now I'm going to select a sample template. And I'm going to upload an image. I'm going to select an image from the device. So I have selected a sample image from the device. Now you can see the database which we have uploaded is already available here. Now I'm going to execute this broadcast. I'm going to select send now. Yes, the broadcast has been successfully executed. Now we can check the status in the delivery report. So you can see the broadcast is delivered for both the mobile numbers. In case if you want to download the contact database from the Phonebook, we just have to go to this export contacts and we can select the contact database which we want and we can just select export. So in case if I am selecting the contact database and selecting export, we will be able to download the Excel file. So yes, so this is how we import and export the contacts and send WhatsApp bulk WhatsApp marketing messages using Phonebook. Thank you so much.